Hopefully, Guam, we are here to talk about ceramic coatings and what are ceramic coatings and why are they so expensive. We hear all kinds of information surrounding ceramic coatings here on the island. The sad part is people don't fully understand what a ceramic coating is designed to do. A ceramic coating comes with various names like ceramic coatings, glass coatings, Si2 coatings, nanotechnology, but generally speaking, they're all the same. They are long-term protection, meaning it will last for years, not months, not weeks, we're talking about years. So why should you apply a ceramic coating to your car's paint? First off, your car's paint is made up of 3 layers. A primer layer, a base coat layer, and a clear coat layer. The clear coat is what gives your vehicle that shine and gloss. If you're on Guam, then you already know your vehicle is exposed to UV rays from the sun, dirt, debris, salt from the roads, acid rain, bug etchings, tree sap, which can make your paint look dull, oxidized, and old. If you want to protect your car and keep it in that new condition, you have to use some sort of car protection to protect it from all these elements. There are many forms of protection for your car's paint. There's carnauba paste wax, polymer sealants, ceramic coatings, and paint protection film. The first car protection and most common is carnauba wax. They are easy to use, very inexpensive, and the application process is easy. Wax on and wax off. The problem with wax is you have to keep reapplying it. It doesn't form a strong bond to your clear coat, and wax also has a low melting point, so it can literally melt off your car on a hot day, leaving your vehicle unprotected. Another form of protection for your car's paint is paint sealants. Paint sealants are synthetic polymers that can bond better to your clear coat, making them more resistant to heat than waxes. They are easy to apply and can last way longer than your traditional paste wax. Both wax and paint sealants can be stripped off your vehicle if you use a strong chemical to wash. The newest paint protection technology is ceramic coatings. Most ceramic coatings are made up of silica dioxide, which is a very hard glass-like polymer. It takes some skill and experience to prepare the paint with a paint correction or a paint enhancement, meaning buff and polish. Then after a ceramic coating application, the result is a thick glass-like layer that protects the entire vehicle's paint. This layer gives a very deep, in-depth gloss. The hardness gives it that longevity and durability. Unlike wax or sealant, they are very resistant to harsh chemicals and detergents. A proper maintained ceramic coating can last for several years. Ceramic coatings are unique because they shed water easily, they keep your car cleaner for longer, and makes the cleaning process much easier and safer. Dirt has a hard time sticking to ceramic coatings, and because of the hardness, it can mitigate the fine scratches and swirls caused by washing. A ceramic coating will protect your car just like a wax or sealant, but a ceramic coating is much thicker, much more durable, better scratch resistant, chemical resistant, super hydrophobic, and will last years instead of weeks. So now that you know what a ceramic coating is, now it's time to figure out if a ceramic coating is right for you. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need more information or want to schedule an appointment, give us a call or send us an email. We'll be happy to assist you on picking that right ceramic coating for your vehicle. My name is Jeremy from Cherry Detailing, and I'll see you guys on the next video.